When you want to change your appearance of sheet metal seams, all you have to do is use the closed corner feature. The closed corner feature will allow me to extend one of these flanges to close this gap. All you have to do is select one of the two faces creating the gap. Notice the auto propagation and coplanar faces checkboxes at the bottom. When you select one of the corner faces, it is added to the faces to extend selection box. You can choose the type of corner you wish to create in the Property Manager. You can control how much of a gap to leave by changing the gap value. When using the overlap or underlap, this ratio can be any value between 0 and 1. When using 0, there will be no overlap. When using 1, you will have a full overlap.